Good morning, students. Now we start with corollary. Let M be a closed linear subspace of a non-linear space N. X0 is a vector not in M, and if D is the distance from X0 to M, show that there exists a functional f belongs to N star such that f of M is equal to 0 and f of X0 equal to 1, norm f is equal to 1 by D. ये जो आप हमारा पार्ट है, देखो इसमें हमने D लिया. D is the distance between X0 and M, means infimum of D X0 Y, where Y belonging to M. Clearly, D is not equal to 0 because X0 does not belongs to M. And M is equal to M bar because M is closed. So we can say X0 does not belongs to M bar. This implies D is greater than 0. Now consider the subspace M naught spanned by M and X naught. Then for every Y belongs to M naught has this representation Y is equal to X plus alpha X naught, where X belongs to M and alpha is scalar. Also, this representation is unique because if we consider Y has a two representation, X1 plus alpha X naught and X2 plus beta X naught, and if alpha is equal to beta, then X1 is equal to X2, and if alpha is not equal to beta, then X1 minus X2 plus alpha minus beta X naught, means in common subtract here equal to 0, then we get X naught is equal to X2 minus X1 divided by alpha minus beta belongs to M, which is a contradiction because X naught does not belongs to M. So we can say Y has a unique representation. Now define a map F naught on M naught as F naught Y is equal to F naught X plus alpha X naught, and this is equal to alpha. हमने map define किया. Clearly F naught is linear on M naught. Now for Y belongs to M naught, mod F naught Y is equal to mod alpha, and norm Y is equal to norm Y. हमने क्या लिखा था? X plus alpha X naught. This is equal to mod alpha. Alpha हमने यहाँ से कॉमन निकाला और क्योंकि अल्फा स्केलर है तो मोड के साथ आएगा बाहर. norm x by alpha plus x naught, which is equal to mod alpha norm. इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? x naught minus of x by alpha, means this is greater than mod alpha. ये mod alpha तो as it is है, greater क्या है? This is greater than d. Now this is equal to d into f naught y mod. So mod f naught y is less than equal to 1 by d into mod norm y, which is equal to k norm y, where k is equal to 1 by d. This implies f naught is bounded linear functional on M naught. Also for x belonging to M, f naught x is equal to f naught x को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? x plus 0 into x naught, which is equal to 0 by definition जो हमने मैप डिफाइन किया है. Now this implies f naught m is equal to 0 subspace. ये आ गया हमारे पास. Also f naught x naught is equal to f naught x naught को हमने लिखा 0 plus 1 into x naught. This is equal to 1. Now we show norm f naught is equal to 1 by d. By definition, norm f naught is equal to supremum of mod f naught y divided by norm y, where y belongs to M naught and y is not equal to 0. Supremum of mod alpha divided by norm x plus alpha x naught. Norm f naught y, इसकी वैल्यू हमारे पास mod alpha है और इसकी वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या है? ये जो norm y की वैल्यू norm x plus alpha x naught. Okay. Now then ये क्या आ गया? Now this is equal to supremum इस टर्म पर चल रहा है तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? infimum of, क्योंकि अल्फा से अल्फा हमारा जो टर्म है वो हमारी कैंसिल हो रही है. दिस इज इक्वल टू, क्योंकि रेसिप्रोकल में है तो जब सुप्रीमम लोगे तो उसका क्या बन जाएगा? इनफीमम बन जाएगा. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? इनफीमम ऑफ नॉर्म एक्स नॉट माइनस जेड, वेयर जेड बिलोंग्स टू एम. और इसका हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? इनवर्स, क्योंकि इनफीमम का इनवर्स क्या होता है? हमारा सुप्रीमम आ जाएगा. एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 by d by definition of distance. So f naught is function on m naught with norm f naught is equal to 1 by d. Now by Hand-Bragg theorem, f naught can be extended to a bounded linear functional f on n such that f of m is equal to 0 subspace, f of x naught is equal to f naught x naught is equal to 1, and norm f is equal to norm f naught is equal to 1 by d. Next result है, let n be a norm linear space. क्या है? n हमारा नॉर्म लीनियर स्पेस है. m एक सबस्पेस है हमारा n का. प्रूव क्या करना है? m bar is equal to n if and only if f belongs to k star such that f of x equal to 0 for every x belonging to m, implies f is equal to 0. Let m bar is equal to n. Let x belongs to n, हमने कोई आर्बिट्ररी एलिमेंट लिया. x अगर n का एलिमेंट है तो वो m bar का एलिमेंट भी होगा. So अगर x m bar का एलिमेंट है तो then we can say x is adjoint point of m. Then there exists a sequence xn of points of m, and point के मैं definition लगाई such that xn converges to sequence xn किसको converge करेगी? x को. Let f belongs to n star such that f of m is equal to 0. Now f function f continuous, so sequence f of xn converges to f of x. That is f of x is equal to limit n tending to infinity f of xn. and this is equal to 0 because xn belongs to m. This implies f is equal to 0. Converse, let the given condition holds. Now to prove m bar is equal to 1, result को हम contradiction से prove कर रहे हैं. If possible, let m bar is not equal to n. Then m bar अगर n के equal नहीं है, then we can say m bar is not contained in n, and n is नॉट कंटेंड इन एम बार. तो हमने ले लिया एम बार इज नॉट कंटेंड इन एन. अगर एम बार एन में नहीं है तो इसका मतलब कोई एक ऐसा वेक्टर है एन में जो एम बार में नहीं है, उसको हमने डिनोट किससे किया है, एक्स नोर से. नाउ एम बार इज क्लोज्ड इन एन एंड इफ डी इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ एक्स नोर फ्रॉम एम बार, देन by the third consequence of Arndt theorem, there exists a functional f belongs to n star such that f of m bar is equal to 0, f of x nor is d, and norm f is equal to 1, which is contradiction according to given condition. So our contradiction जो हमने सपोज किया था वो क्या हो गया, हमारा रॉन्ग हो गया. दिस इंप्लाइज m bar is equal to n. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाकी हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे.